When does bread become toast? When does bread become toast?
It's warm.
I've had warm bread that wasn't toast.
It's when the bread is brown?
I've had brown bread that wasn't toast.
It's toasted and it's warm.
Everybody take out your toasters. Now what is a toaster?
What is toast?
Excellent question.
What is a bagel?
Now we are getting somewhere.
Mine has a bagel setting.
Can a machine know a bagel? White bread. Loaved. Toast. 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 Please be sure to put your assignments on my desk from last week on your way out.
I should have gone to ITT Tech.
Means Guahan.